Rob, welcome to Casa Rio de Luna.
This brings back some memories. Oh, thank you.
Thanks, Mark.
Thank you. So Sean, true story. For my 40th birthday, had some of my best friends. I rented this actual house and the house down below.
Oh, that's awesome.
And we used to take the golf cart back and forth. But I remember when I got to this house and I walked in the front door for the first time and seeing the vaulted ceilings, the dome, and the ocean, this might be my favorite entrance of any vacation rental I've ever been to my entire life.
It's pretty breathtaking when you open that front door and you see that.
Yeah.
I mean, you can't even describe it to people.
And that's the unique thing about this house in particular. It's a grand house, but it's also, in a weird way, intimate.
It's a big house. It's roughly 7,500 square feet. You've got 6 bedrooms, all ensuite baths over multiple levels. But then there's also these intimate little gathering places where you can hang out when you don't want to be alone in your room and you want to be with your friends. You've got the pool, you've got this cozy living room right here. You've got a great dining room that seats 12 people. Speaking of, let's show everybody the Speakeasy.
I love the Speakeasy.
Oh, the memories.
And here we are, Rob. Welcome to the Drunken Monk Speakeasy.
It's funny you call it the Drunken Monk, because the last time I was down here, I actually named all the monks. If I remember properly, that was Saucy, that was Sleepy, that was Tipsy, and that was, well, we're not gonna go through that one. That one's not appropriate for television.
I think you were saucy, tipsy, and sleepy when you made up those names.
At one point, I was all of those things.
Oh, okay.
But this is such a fun element of this house that, you know, who has its own little private bar? It's a uniqueness that's flavored just to who you are and the people that you're with. So what got you into being part of vacation rentals?
So my first time to Cabo was 20 plus years ago with my now husband, and we had a very different experience than what I have in Cabo now. We were denied a hotel room. We were told that 2 men shouldn't be in a bed together. We couldn't wait to leave, and we never wanted to come back. I came back 8 years ago and saw a completely different side of Cabo. And I said, you know what, if I'm going to be a part of creating this company, it's going to be a company where everybody feels comfortable coming to stay in one of our homes. And that's what we've done. And that's important to me.
Yeah, and that's also interesting to the fact that things have changed, like not just in the world, but like my own personal life. Like I thought I was gonna get married a year ago. Like I thought my life, and it just changes. Yeah, just good memories. I will remember this place for sure, for the rest of my life. And that's just different than a hotel. That's a vacation rental. That's just what people don't get. The stories you get are just different. This view is really just amazing coastal view that you don't get this perspective a lot.
We're seeing it during the day. At night, it's even more spectacular. The house is called Rio de Luna because of the way the moon reflects off the water out here. I mean, it's spectacular.
So activity-wise, what's the things that I have to do?
What you really should do tomorrow is check out a UTV. You ride through the desert, you end up at a beach, you have a picnic lunch, and it's the most beautiful day.
Okay, I love it. UTV, and I'll come see you.
Perfect. All right.